Great question. So at the end of the day, in terms of how you split up your portfolio, ETFs, REITs, individual stocks, it all comes down to your personal situation. So I can't really answer this for you because obviously I'm not a financial advisor and I don't know your scenario, but it all comes down to time horizon, risk tolerance, your age, and really just how you want to split it up. Me personally, I have 50 to 60% in ETFs. Think of VOO, VXUS, VOT, things like that. And this is all for my long-term portfolio, right, guys? And then I have about 30% individual stocks, and then about 10-15%, more like 10% in REITs. And this fluctuates. I mean, it's not going to be 50% ETFs all the time because let's say ETFs come down a little bit, maybe individual stocks outperform. So it's always fluctuating, but that's how I break it down, roughly 50%, 30%, 20%, or, whatever the math is on that. You guys, yeah, roughly, but I don't have 20% REITs. So I'd say it's more maybe 55, 35, 10 or something like that. And it just comes down to you. Again, do you want to do 75% ETFs and maybe 25% individual stocks and not even invest in REITs? Maybe you want to go and actually buy a physical real estate property. Do you want to do maybe all individual stocks? There's people that do that. It all comes down to you. So yeah, it's a question that you have to ask yourself. Do you want to play it the safe route, go all index funds? Do you want to try and beat the market? Although it's very difficult to do that. It's no cakewalk, let me tell you that. It's very difficult to do that. Do you want to try and beat the market and do some individual stocks and some REITs? It all comes down to you. Hopefully that helped. Let me know your thoughts. Follow along for more.